Flood warning in effect from this morning to late this afternoon. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Alabasai River at Riverview near US 301. When? From this morning to late this afternoon. Impacts at 4.2 feet. Water begins to impact homes on Pine Avenue and Park Drive. Additional details. At 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 4.2 feet. Banksville stage is 4.2 feet. Forecast. The river will oscillate above flood stage with a maximum value of 4.2 feet late this morning. It will fall below flood stage late this morning.